I mean, I feel like you can't just do a sample on one. I can't even figure out what this tastes like. Like, it kind of tastes like nothing, but it's burning my throat. Oh. Why am I sweating?
Bruh.
I can't eat anymore.